is up, ninjas? I'm gonna tell you about a trip that I took to Iceland and how to benefit from it, because there's more to life than just the Ableton screen. So listen to me now, this is my video. Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Semworld. As you guys know, I just got back from a trip to Iceland. It was a vacation trip, no business thing related. It inspired me to make this video on, music producers traveling abroad, what it can benefit you, what to bring, and all this good stuff. Now, I'm not talking about touring DJs or wannabe touring DJs, because we all know that one guy that goes to Mexico with his family and acts like he's touring Mexico, and by the time he gets back he has this epic picture of himself like he just fucking like destroyed Mexico and was touring all over. Everyone does this, I've done it I think, but don't be like that.
Alright, you're good.
Today we're gonna be talking about what to bring on your vacation if you plan on making music, because of course we're not gonna bring all the gear, things to do on your vacation that have to do with music but don't require you to actually be on Ableton, because we can all get stuck on the Ableton screen. I'm not gonna lie.
I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before, no. I get a good feeling.
And finally, the last thing is gonna be stuff I wish I would have brought to my vacation as a music producer. Alright guys, now I want you guys to comment down below if you guys have ever been on vacation. Did it help you musically? Did it help you to make better songs? Or did you just come back and you sucked ass like you did before? What to pack for your trip if you're gonna be making music? Your mixtape is lit. Oh yeah, you're right. So that's what happens when your mixtape is lit as fuck. It's an ultimate test. Fuck the car test, man. Just throw your phone in the geyser with your song playing. If you ever traveled and paid for your own shit, you know that it can get pricey. The fatter you are, the more shit you bring, the more money you pay to the airline guys. And God knows they have me weigh myself. So what are the essential things to bring? Because obviously I'm not gonna bring my whole damn studio, or I'm gonna have to sell my left nut when I get to Mexico. So the first thing obviously you need to bring is the laptop, or you're not gonna be able to produce. The next thing you bring is the damn charger, because after a couple hours the laptop's fucked. Now if you have a PC, most likely you have a lot of your samples and project files saved on the damn PC. So the next thing to bring would be headphones, because you don't want to fuck everyone over where you're staying at and have them hear your beats that probably suck like mine over and over again. Like, we have to do it ourselves, because God knows we're always stuck on that loop. Now if you bring a MacBook, you're most likely using a hard drive, because MacBook space, it's also like an airline. The more space you need, the more money they take from you. So those are the essentials to bring, guys. But I've always wondered to myself, why the fuck would anyone want those little mini keyboards that they sell for $100 when I got a big ass one, or you could buy a big one for the same price? And I finally realized why, and that is gonna be because when you're on a goddamn plane and you're trying to make a melody with your keyboard, your MacBook Pro keyboard, it sounds annoying as hell. People think, man, what the fuck is he typing that he's typing on that fucking row? You cannot make a damn word on that.
And you may now use your approved electronic devices. You'll find an electronic device policy under in-flight topics in the back of your American Way magazine, which is located in your seat back pocket.
So I felt a little bit self-conscious. I felt like people thought I was a douchebag, a wannabe producer while I was there. So at least when you have the piano, they fucking know, okay, he's playing a little piano, God knows what he's making, but whatever. So that's what I wish I would have brought. You can also bring an Ableton Push, but just know if you don't pay high class for business class, you're not going to be able to use it on the plane ride if it's more than 8 hours like mine was. Things to do when you're on vacation as a music producer. Hello!
Look at all those chickens.
So things to do as a music producer when you're traveling, guys, and I highly recommend this, is visit nature. Go out to nature, enjoy waterfalls, enjoy scenery stuff, enjoy being human. A lot of times we can forget we're actual human beings, guys. Always being on Ableton, checking our SoundCloud plays, checking our reposts, Instagram post likes, and all that. We let that control how much we're worth when it shouldn't do that. And when you go into nature, it helps you forget about that, and it helps you really, really do something important, and that is be human. Enjoy nature, enjoy being alive, because in all honesty, guys, it took so many different things to happen in sequence for us to even be here. So the fact that you're watching this video right now is a miracle in itself, and if that doesn't fucking inspire you, then I don't know what fucking will. Walker boys, Violent Walkers. The other thing to do, guys, is to do music tours. Like, every country has given something to music, in my opinion. For instance, Iceland has the Rock Museum. The United States has maybe Compton, where gangster rap took place, and you could go visit these places that songs talk about. Stuff like that, go to Peru, go to Cuba, and take a music tour and watch people play live instruments and stuff. Now, the reason I give you guys this as something to do is because I read a book called Steal Like an Artist by Austin Klein. I think that was his name. And he makes a good valid point that most musicians out there, most artists out there or influenced by other artists, believe it or not. And one of the things that we do is we always take influences from stuff we like to make our own version of something, our own music. You steal from one person, well, that's stealing, but you steal from a lot of people, and that's research. So one of the things you could do, guys, is visit music museums, music tours, and just see what this country is about in terms of music, and honestly, that will inspire you.
You good?
Gonna be two of the main things to do, guys, and there's little ranks below them, but the reason you want to do these things is because when you get back home and you try and make a song, you go on Ableton or you get on a keyboard after so long, it's gonna feel like you're starting over in a good way. It's like when you buy a video game, you play it for maybe a month, you get tired of it, you buy a new one, you're all into it. Same thing here, except it's gonna be with music, and I promise you this will inspire you, kill writer's block and all that good stuff. So give those a shot when you go traveling. So yeah, guys, I had an amazing time in Iceland. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little snippet videos I showed here and there. But again, if you guys ever traveled, leave a comment down below on how it helped you, maybe refresh your mind and all that, guys. But I wanted to make this quick video for you guys. I'm actually gonna go hiking a mountain here in Southern California right now in a bit. It's like 3 in the morning, so I wanted to get this out to you guys. But as always, comment down below, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, hit like, and I'll see you guys next time, ninjas. You guys take care, and I'll be seeing you guys this coming week with some new videos on how to make new styles of music, how to use the Psytrance Revolution pack I released this past month or this past weekend. So be on the lookout, and I'll see you guys next time, ninjas. You guys take care, and you guys have an amazing day like always.
Oh, no, I see.